I started a business at 17. No money, no plan, no idea what I was doing. Today I run an agency with a team, and looking back, there are 5 things I really wish someone had told me before I started. So stay until number 4. That one cost me the most. So not in money, in something you can't get back. Okay, so number 1, nobody is coming to save you. When you start, you keep waiting for the right moment, the right partner, the right amount of money. So I wasted time waiting. The truth is, nothing happens until you start. You don't need everything ready. You need to begin with what you have and fix the rest on the way. The people who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who started before they felt ready. Okay, and number 2, cheap clients cost you the most. At the start, I said yes to everyone, any client, any price, just to have the money. It is a very big mistake. The clients who pay the least almost always want the most. They take your time, your energy, your nerves, and they leave usually first. I learned to say no, because saying no to the wrong client is how you say yes to the right one. So that one lesson changed my whole business. Okay, and number 3, revenue is not money in your pocket. When I saw big numbers coming in, I thought I was rich. I wasn't. Most of that money wasn't mine. It goes to ads, to the team, to costs. A big number on paper feels great and means nothing. What matters is what stays after everything is paid. I've seen businesses with huge revenue almost go broke. So watch what stays, not what comes in. Okay, and number 4, the one I told you about. The one that cost me the most. So doing everything myself. I thought asking for help or hiring was weak or too expensive. What it really cost me wasn't money. It was time. Months, maybe years, where I was the only one moving the business, and the business could only grow as fast as one tired person. So the day I started building a team, everything changed. I wish I'd done it way sooner. So you can't build something big with only your own 2 hands. Okay, and number 5, most of your stress comes from not knowing your numbers. Early on, I was always anxious about money, but I didn't actually know my numbers. I was guessing. The moment I sat down and really understood what comes in, what goes out, and what each client truly costs, the fear got smaller. Not because the numbers were good, because I finally knew them. So you can't fix what you don't measure. So know your numbers and half the stress disappears. So that's 5. If I could go back and tell my 70 years old self one thing, it's this: just start and don't carry it all alone. Everything else you learn on the way, so the mistakes are part of it. I just hope a few of mine save you some time. So tell me in the comments, are you starting something new maybe right now? What's stopping you? So drop it below, I read them all. And if this helped, subscribe my channel. I share the real version of building a business, no fairy tales. So yeah, if you want more, subscribe this channel. So I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.